relax.
It's not time to relax.
It's not time to relax.
Alright, see ya.
Alright, back in Florida. Time to work on the boat. Got big plans this time. Change some lines around, wash it.
Yeah, it's very green and gunky and looks like it's been abandoned, but it's only been for 2 months, but there's trees around it, so it doesn't look pretty.
We need to run to the store and make a supply run for some cleaning materials, which is what we're doing now.
And we're going to Ava and Amelia's house.
Yeah.
Stop by a friend's house.
There's some,
Got a lot of visiting to do every time we come to Florida.
Yeah.
there's some sand on your sleigh.
Got some sand on our chair.
Mm-hmm.
All
I
right.
think it's hair. Dog hair. About 20 pounds.
No sand, say.
Okay.
It's sand.
It's sand. So, yeah. This time we are going to attempt to replace some of the lines on the rudders.
Get to install the new anchor that we bought.
Yeah. What did we get?
We got a Mantis 45.
It's a big beastie.
Pretty BA anchor. Should hold us down.
Yeah. We're pretty excited about it. It's very heavy and beautiful and shiny. So, that's fun. And, oh, fun thing is we got in really late last night and then the AC decided it didn't want to work. So, we slept without AC last night, which sounds not that dramatic when we plan on living on the boat and not having AC, but
Yeah, something we got to get used to
I guess-
either way. But it wasn't that hot. It was actually pretty nice.
yeah, I was actually kind of cold, so that's exciting.
But that decided to start working randomly again today, so fix that off the list.
It fixed itself. It added itself to the list, and then this morning it just took itself right off. So we'll tackle that when it decides to fully break, but it's making its way towards our list. So that's fun.
And hopefully do a little more practice sailing, anchor up, maybe use some GoPro, do a little snorkeling or something.
Yeah,
I don't
maybe
know.
stay the night on the boat.
Dad's trying to build a new anchor.
I already built it.
He built it. He put
Done.
it together and we put it up there.
Yep. So,
Woohoo!
stand by.
Yeah.
What we're trying to do is make it so we can see out of our front windshield by replacing the front windshield, which is a pain in the ass. Check back in 5 hours.
Getting there, hold on. Let me move on.
Cody. Hello.
Hello. It's free. It's free.
Visibility 100.
We can see now. Make it so much easier. Ah, it's good wind flow too.
Yeah, good one flow now.
Who needs air conditioner?
Now we gotta somehow get all this little black shit out.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a kind of a rubber gasket right off the bat. It's a 1/4 inch thick at least.
The gasket.
Yeah.
Take the windshield.
Yeah, I don't know where we're going to take that and put it on the dock somewhere.
It's pretty damn heavy actually.
How clear it is.
Huh?
Look how clear it is.
Yeah, you can actually see.
Just leave it like that.
Yeah.
Just leave it like that.
What, the gasket over here? You're going to have to clean all this up though.
Leave the windshield out.
Yeah, that'll eat it out. Yeah, you might not want to do that during a storm, like, you know, this big old rain-looking cloud above us.
Yeah, that's true. We should find something to cover this thing up. Go find a tarp, babe.
Huh. Okay.
That's your task.
Hi. Hi, Allie. Hi, puppies.
Second part, we're putting the boat back together. We're going to put in a new Lexan window.
Woohoo!
Or it'd be nice. Be able to see. And just in time, because tomorrow it's supposed to rain. Down there tonight.
Then you're gonna have to pressure wash again because all this black crap.
Yeah.
The only thing I'm
That's
worried
okay.
about is and we'll just rub down from just all the dust off of it. Just, you see that?
Yeah.
That's what you want to get off, that kind of crap. Get your side.
Kevin.
You know, if I do this whole side and you do that whole side,
Yeah.
if your side leaks, I'm gonna blame you. My side's good. So you know.
Yeah, it's more than likely going to go bad over there.
Oh, I see. No confidence, huh?
Oh, look how nasty.
The edges of these other black things probably the easiest way.
Yeah.
Yeah, line the top and the
Yeah.
bottom. You ready?
Yeah.
Watch your fingers.
Do we have enough pulled back, Casey?
Yeah. Yeah, you're good.
You got it? I'm gonna go up towards me a little bit.
Woo! We got a new window.
I got one here.
Use one of those rags on your fingers.
Yeah.
Don't gunk up my boat.
Yeah. Yeah, wait before you just gotta get some of these in the bottom.
Don't fart on your dad.
It ain't necessarily going up on the bottom. Yeah. Although here's a few. Here's two.
Okay. He's got it. No, he might need help pulling his pants up when he's done.
That's the whole.
How you going? Getting somewhere?
Yeah. Little by little.
We just put a diaper on.
Just not trying to do too hard in one place at one time. But yeah, you got probably goop coming out inside.
Yeah, I cleaned it. We de-gooped.
Okay.
Guys, get there.
Excuse me.
Sorry. They come in?
Huh?
They going in good?
Yeah, going in. I got this corner all done. This side. I think it's all the way in.
Just check the camera to
This
see
thing
what
keeps-
it's getting.
This thing keeps going.
All of your dad's butt. Well, there goes some footage.
What?
Raw footage for you?
Oh, what?
Your dad.
I just checked it to see what it was picking up, and it's your butt crack only.
Sorry. That's right, you know how to edit.
Yeah.
Edit my ass right out of it.
I'll just have to stare at your butt for however long it was picking it up for to find out where it stopped.
Hey, I don't have a hairy ass, let's put it that way.
Well, Oh, you getting black gunk on my boat?
I'm not.
Yeah, it looks like it's your side there, Papa.
Yeah, but it wasn't my hand.
My hand somehow got on your side.
Oh, Cody, you should stand up.
What?
Look at your spot.
Oh.
There and there.
Dad must have put his hand over here.
Yeah. Dad's hand's
Behind you,
really
you're gonna
long.
sit in it if you sit back down.
It's just
Whatever. Got the pressure wash the shit in here, I guess.
I might take it off easy enough. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. This one.
Positions you put yourself in, Cody.
Operation, I need to see where I'm going.
Ta-da! Oh look, we can perfectly see Ty snoozing.
Like you can see through it.
Yay!
Pretty cool.
So clear. So to get an idea on how bad it looked, let me show you guys. Here's the difference. We didn't do this window yet. That's what that front one looked like. And you see how yucky that one is? And then look, ta-da! It's like a huge difference. That one's next. Next time. Next trip. Did you guys see our window?
Yeah.
Remember what it used to look like?
30.
Yeah,
30?
you can see through it.
Now look at it.
I don't
It's like crystal clear.
Dad,
What?
he didn't go this in,
Oh, the snowman.
Snowman didn't go fishing?
and Santa did. He didn't.
What do you think, Emma?
I like it.
You ready to go sailing?
Mhm.
Tomorrow? You ready to stay the night?
No.
You scared?
Yes.
It's gonna be fun.
Dad.
Gonna have both of your dogs.
Dad. How about that?
You're gonna have both your dogs and Grandpa Boat.
But no one else.
Yeah. Emma, where are we going?
Florida.
What?
We're in Florida already. Oh.
Where are we going right now?
To watch the sunset.
Where at?
Nashville.
Nashville. It'll be a long drive in a golf cart.
I don't think the batteries are left. Emerson Point.
Boing.
Ty-ty.
We were worlds apart, so I fell from the stars. I traveled long and I traveled far, and deep in the dark I followed a spark, and it led straight to your heart. There'll be oceans for us to tread, there'll be bridges for us to mend, but I'll stick through it. Oh, I swear. There'll be mountains for us to climb, there'll be days when the sun won't shine, but I'll stick to it. Oh, I swear. I've got scars by gray white sharks, but I swim fast and I swim hard.
We checked a big job off our list by replacing that windshield. Join us next time to see an even bigger job get added to our list while we're sailing in Tampa Bay. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like.
Lead me straight to your arms, but there'll be oceans for us to tread, there'll be bridges for us to mend, but I'll stick through.